So the Ojamin, young man, on account of association with a prostitute, he lost his good character and began to maintain the prostitute by stealing, by cheating, one after another. So, by mistake, or on account of the age, he became captivated by the prostitute. So Krishna was watching. Therefore, he gave him this chance that on account of his affection towards the child, he'll at least repeat Narayan, 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 come, Narayan, take your food, Narayan, sit down. The Bhavagrahi Janardana. Krishna is so kind. He takes the purpose or the essence because the holy name has its effect. So although this Ajamin, by his foolishness, he was attached to the material body of the sun, but because he was chanting Narayana, Krishna was taking that essence. Some way or other he is chanting. The importance of chanting is so nice. So do not give up chanting. Then Krishna will protect you. This is the example. Hare Krishna, you practice. Naturally, when you are in danger, he will say, Hare Krishna. This must do. If you have practiced to do something, chant Hare Krishna, then you are saved. So it is not difficult. Sincerely chant. Try to avoid offense. Don't try to fall down purposefully for sense gratification. That is very dangerous. He purposefully did not fall down. Circumstance. Came in contact with a prostitute, could not help him. So circumstantially he fell down. Not by willingly. This should be noted. Willingly doing, that is very great offense. But circumstantially, there is every chance, because we have fallen and practiced to malpractices, life after life, because material life means sinful life. You see, the old people, they do not care. They do not know even this is sinful. We say, no illicit sex, no meat eating, no intoxication, and no gambling. The Western people will think, what is this nonsense? These are the preliminary facilities for a human being, and this man is denying. They do not know him. Some of our students left this institution. They thought that Swamiji is denying the primary necessities of life. They are so dull that they cannot understand this is sinful. Not only an ordinary common man, even a big man, Lord Jetland in England. So, one of my godbrothers went to preach, and Lord Jetland, Marquis of Jetland, he was known as Lord Runanse. He was governor of Bengal. In our college days, he came to our college, Scotchman. A very gentle man and inclined to philosophy, So, he asked this God brother, can you make me Brahman? So he proposed, yes, why not? You follow these rules and regulations, you will become Brahman. So when he heard the rules and regulations, no illicit sex, no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, he said, oh, it is impossible. It is not possible. He flatly refused. In our country it is not possible. It is a very difficult job. But if one is able to give up these sinful activities, then his life is very pure. He becomes purified. And unless one is purified, he cannot chant Hare Krishna, neither he can understand Krishna consciousness.